Let's talk about hacking. Not just the word you hear in movies or the mysterious figure in a hoodie, but what hacking really means in the real world. Not the Hollywood version, but the real deal. Forget the dramatic music and impossible code flying across the screen. Real hacking is much more fascinating and a lot more accessible than you might think. Hacking is about understanding systems so well, you can make them do things they weren't designed to do. It's about digging deep, exploring how things work, and sometimes, finding creative ways to make them work differently. It's curiosity, problem solving, and seeing the digital world differently. Hackers are the ultimate tinkerers, always asking, what if, and why not? They see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Many start hacking to launch a career in cybersecurity. White hat hackers get paid to find weaknesses before the bad guys do. They help protect companies, governments, and everyday people from cyber threats, making the internet a safer place for everyone. Others love the intellectual challenge, like solving a tough puzzle. For them, hacking is a mental workout, a way to push their skills and creativity to the limit. You don't need a PhD or years of experience to start anymore. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, and anyone with curiosity and determination can begin their journey. Today, tools like DeepSeek AI make learning hacking accessible to anyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves technology, you can dive in and start learning at your own pace. DeepSeek AI acts as a personal tutor, coding partner, and guide all in one. It's like having a mentor who's always available, ready to help you tackle new challenges and answer your toughest questions. It's not just another search engine, it's a powerful assistant that makes cybersecurity fun and approachable. You can experiment, make mistakes, and learn in a supportive environment. Imagine having an expert by your side, ready to answer your questions 24/7. No matter when inspiration strikes, you're never alone on your learning journey. Let's see how this changes everything for aspiring hackers, and how you can get started on your own path today. So, what is DeepSeek AI? Think of it as a super smart friend who's read the entire internet and can explain anything simply. DeepSeek AI is a large language model trained on massive amounts of text and code. Unlike search engines, it gives you direct conversational answers. You can ask it to explain complex topics in plain English, or even in analogies. It understands programming languages, writes and debugs code, and translates between languages. For hacking, this is like having a superpower, AI that helps you read, write, and understand scripts. It's the ultimate co-pilot for your tech journey, explaining not just the how, but the why. With DeepSeek AI, you learn faster and more effectively than ever before. Imagine having a personal hacking coach available 24/7. DeepSeek AI is exactly that. It's your digital mentor, guiding you through the world of cybersecurity, one challenge at a time. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, DeepSeek AI adapts to your pace and learning style, making the journey feel like your own training montage from a movie. It breaks down big, intimidating goals into manageable, bite-sized steps, so you never feel overwhelmed. Confused by technical jargon? Just ask DeepSeek AI for a simple explanation. Whether it's phishing, SQL injection, or any other term, you'll get a clear, memorable analogy that actually sticks. It's not just a teacher, it's your hands-on coding and debugging partner, ready to help you tackle real problems. If you're learning Python, you can ask DeepSeek AI to write a port scanner script, then walk you through every line, explaining the logic and purpose behind each part. This way, you're not just copying code, you're truly understanding how it works, building real confidence in your skills. DeepSeek AI helps you strategize like a pro, outlining ethical hacking methodologies step by step, so you always know what comes next. Describe any scenario, like testing a website's security, and it'll instantly generate a checklist tailored to your needs, plus suggest the best tools and resources for each stage of the process. This approach teaches you to think methodically just like a real hacker, analyzing, planning, and executing with precision. But it's not just about writing code or following checklists. It's about developing the hacker mindset, curiosity, persistence, and creative problem-solving. With AI guidance, you stay motivated, celebrate small wins, and see real progress every day. Every concept becomes accessible, every challenge feels surmountable, and you're never alone on your learning journey. That's how you level up your hacking skills. One step, one lesson, and one breakthrough at a time. Every hacking journey starts with Reconnaissance, gathering information. It's digital detective work, finding IP addresses, server types, technologies, and more. Tools like WHOIS and online scanners help you piece together the puzzle. DeepSeek AI can guide you through OSINT techniques, like Google dorking or analyzing job postings for tech clues. Ask for a checklist, and it'll turn vague goals into concrete steps. Try a practical example. Ask for Nmap commands to scan a target, and DeepSeek AI will explain each part. You're not just running tools, you're learning how and why they work. That's the foundation of real hacking skills. After Reconnaissance comes scanning, checking which digital doors, ports, are open. Open ports mean services are running, and some may have vulnerabilities. Scanning tools can even identify software versions, revealing potential weaknesses. DeepSeek AI helps you interpret scan results. Ask what port 22 is, and it'll explain SSH and its risks. Need a hands-on example? Ask for a Python script to check open ports, and the AI will generate and explain it. This approach makes complex concepts practical and understandable. You learn by doing, with AI guiding you every step. Scanning becomes less intimidating and more empowering. Gaining access is the phase where ethical hackers test vulnerabilities, always with permission. Using info from earlier steps, you might test for weak passwords or known software flaws. DeepSeek AI helps you understand how exploits work, like SQL injection, by showing vulnerable code and explaining attack strings. You see theory and practice side by side, making complex attacks clear. This knowledge is powerful. Use it responsibly. The most important rule: only hack with explicit written permission. Skills can protect or harm. Ethics make the difference. Unauthorized access is illegal and can ruin your career. Practice safely by building your own lab or using legal platforms. Virtual machines let you test attacks in a sandboxed environment. DeepSeek AI can explain ethical frameworks and help you draft engagement documents. Learn the rules as thoroughly as the tools. Being a responsible digital citizen is as important as technical skill. Always choose the white hat path. Ready to practice? Build your own hacking lab. No fancy hardware needed. Use free virtualization software like VirtualBox to create virtual machines. Install Kali Linux as your attacker and Metasploitable as your victim. This setup is isolated and safe, perfect for hands-on learning. DeepSeek AI can walk you through every step, from installation to network configuration. Once set up, ask the AI for beginner-friendly vulnerabilities to try. It'll suggest practical exercises, like testing default logins or exploiting known flaws. Your lab becomes a playground for safe experimentation. With AI guidance, you avoid common pitfalls and stay focused. This is where real skills are built, legally and effectively. You've learned what hacking really is. Beyond the stereotypes and movie scenes, it's about understanding systems, thinking creatively, and solving complex problems. You've seen how the digital world is full of both challenges and opportunities, and how your curiosity can be your greatest asset. You've also discovered how AI like DeepSeek can help you learn faster, break down tough concepts, and even simulate real-world scenarios. With AI as your guide, you can explore new topics, get instant feedback, and never feel stuck for long. And you now know how to build your own safe lab environment, a place where you can experiment, make mistakes, and learn without fear. This is your personal playground for growth, where every error is a lesson, and every success is a step forward. The journey from beginner to cybersecurity pro is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time, and remember that progress is more important than perfection. Every small victory adds up, and persistence is your best friend. Don't be discouraged. Every expert started as a novice, facing the same confusion and uncertainty you might feel now. The key is to keep moving forward even when things seem overwhelming. Focus on learning one concept at a time. Today a port, tomorrow a scan, and soon you'll be connecting the dots between them. Mastery comes from building a strong foundation, brick by brick. Use DeepSeek AI to clarify doubts, guide your practice, and offer new perspectives. Don't hesitate to ask questions, experiment, and let AI help you see problems from different angles. But remember, ultimately, you're the one learning. Your effort, curiosity, and determination are what will set you apart and drive your progress. Combine AI's power with your own curiosity and drive, and you'll unlock limitless growth. The more you explore, the more you'll discover about both technology and yourself. The world of cybersecurity is vast, ever-changing, and absolutely vital. Your journey starts now, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you dream of becoming a pro, want to protect your own data, or just love tinkering with technology, take that first step. Every journey begins with curiosity and a willingness to try. Fire up your virtual lab, ask your first question, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the process. Dive in, experiment boldly, and let your curiosity lead the way. Be curious, be ethical, and enjoy the process. Who knows what you'll achieve or how far you'll go? You might be the one to make the digital world safer for everyone. Your journey is just beginning.